Hello students, we are going to learn one of the topic. Suppose we are going to anywhere, we are our requirement, we are moving one place to other place. Like this, we are moving one place to another place. What we can call? It is a transportation. Transportation means moving one place to another place. Here in our body, whatever substances those are transporting in our body, that system is called transportation. Transportation means moving one place to another place. Whatever the food materials we are taking, those food materials are transporting in our body. So in our digestive system to blood, and blood transfers those food materials to each and every cell. In the cell, those food material oxidize and release energy to perform any work. So that is the main process. Here in the transportation, what we learn? Here in the transportation, we learn about heart, blood, and blood vessels. So here we learn about heart. What is meant by heart? Heart is an organ present in the body. It is present in the chest cavity, slightly towards the left side, and between the lungs. What is the size of the heart? Size of the heart, our fist size. And broad base is upward, narrow base is downwards. It is a cone-like structure. So here, what are the different parts are present? Externally, what we observe in the heart. Externally, we observe here broad base is upward, narrow base is downwards. Externally, we observe deep grooves. These grooves, with the help of these grooves, we can separate chambers. We can identify the chambers. Upper one are called organs. Right side is the right auricle. This vertical groove separates right auricle and left auricle. And lower side ventricles are there. These ventricles are called right ventricle, left ventricle. One more horizontal groove is there. Horizontal groove separates auricles and ventricles. And vertical groove separates right auricle, left auricle. Right ventricle, left ventricle. Now let us learn how the veins connected to these heart. And blood is a fluid part that is pumped by the heart. Blood is moving one place to other place. And here blood vessels. Blood vessels are superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and arteries, veins. These are present in the heart. Let us see. With the help of diagram, we can understand very clear. Heart is connected with the superior vena cava. It is called superior vena cava. And superior vena cava connected to aorta. It is aorta. And here pulmonary artery. It is superior vena cava, aorta, and pulmonary artery. You can write here. Superior vena cava, and this one is pulmonary artery. It is aorta. Also we can pronounce. Here these superior vena cava connected to left auricle. Left auricle connected to ventricle, left ventricle, and here right and left auricles. It is a right auricle, it is a left auricle, and those are connected to ventricle. So right ventricle, left ventricle. Those are divided into, it is a right auricle, left auricle. Here one more pulmonary aorta. Pulmonary aorta to blood pump to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery to, here it is given to lungs. After purification, blood moves to left auricle. Left auricle to left ventricle. You can understand here. Once again I will explain. Here it is a superior vena cava and downward is called inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava collects, carry deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body, and superior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from upper parts of the body. See here also arrow mark, and whatever deoxygenated blood collected by these caval veins that moves into right auricle. Downward also right auricle. Right auricle filled completely. Then here aperture is there. Aperture is nothing but opening. Aperture is a opening into ventricles. It is a right ventricle. Right ventricle. And blood forcibly moves into right auricle. Right auricle to right ventricle through this aperture. Then whatever blood here, that blood touch the walls of ventricles, it send blood to lungs through this pulmonary artery. The blood is moving through these ventricles to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery pump the blood to lungs. This blood is moving into lungs. In the lungs, purification takes place. Purify the blood. After purification, the blood moves. Then blood moves to pulmonary vein. These are pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. All the veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. All arteries carry or supply oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood sent to lungs. After purification, these pulmonary veins carry the blood, oxygenated blood, enter into left auricle. Here blood is entering into left auricle. Left auricle, here also one aperture is there. Left auriculoventricular aperture. Wrong side it is a ventricle. Left ventricle. Right auricle open to left ventricle. Here, whatever oxygenated blood that enter into left ventricle. Left ventricle to aorta. Aorta to upper parts, oxygenated blood will be moves. And lower side systemic aorta is there. Systemic aorta supply oxygenated blood to lower parts of the body. Actually, in this lesson, one of the important circulation of blood, double circuit circulation. Why it is called double circuit circulation? Double circuit circulation means blood transfused through the heart twice, 2 times. That's why it is called double circuit circulation. You can understand very clear with the help of diagram. Double circuit circulation. Double circuit circulation. Middle heart is placed here like this, auricles and ventricles, and here body parts, here lungs. We can understand very clear transfusion of blood, how it circulates in the body. blood transfuse through these body parts. Body parts to right artery. Right artery opens through this aperture and enter into right ventricle. Right ventricle through this pulmonary aorta. Pulmonary aorta to pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein to lungs. Lungs, here purification of blood takes place. Then lungs carry oxygenated blood given to pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein to left auricle. Left auricle opens to left ventricle. Through the aorta and auricle, ventricles to aorta, send the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Here body parts, aromas are given, body parts to right auricle. Right auricle to right ventricle. Right ventricle to lungs. In the lungs, purification takes place. After purification, moves to left auricle. Left auricle to left ventricle. Left ventricle to body parts. Human being normal blood pressure 120 by 80. Systolic pressure, diastolic pressure. When contraction of auricle is called systolic pressure, and relaxation phase is called diastolic pressure. So normal person blood pressure is 120 by 80. Above this hypertension, below this low blood pressure. So we can detect this blood pressure with the help of sphygmomanometer. So we have to use this instrument. We can detect the blood pressure. And blood is transfused useful materials and given to all parts of the body. Thank you, children. We listen next classes in Zoom app, and everyone ready to listen our next class.